Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to use Discord for trading. First, you'll want to find a trustworthy trading community on Discord. Look for servers with clear rules and active, experienced members. Always take time to understand their specific trading guidelines and how they operate. It's crucial to verify the legitimacy of any trading signals or advice you receive, as this helps protect your investments. Next, let's set up your trading environment. Many Discord servers offer bots that can integrate with your trading platform, providing seamless data flow. Make sure to configure your notification settings to receive real-time alerts for important market movements or trade signals. Organize your channels by asset class, such as stocks, crypto, or forks, to keep your information clear and accessible. When executing trades, always stick to your established strategies and entry points. A critical step is to implement strict stop-loss orders for every single trade you make. This limits potential losses. A good rule of thumb is to never invest more than 2% of your total trading capital on any single trade, helping you manage risk effectively over the long term. Finally, leverage the power of the community for continuous learning. Actively engage with more experienced traders, ask thoughtful questions, and participate in discussions. Sharing your own trading insights can also help solidify your understanding and provide new perspectives. Remember, the market is always evolving, so continuously refine your strategy based on new information and feedback.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.